Welcome to Living DNA. This brief walkthrough will explain how to navigate around your portal. When you log into Living DNA, you will arrive on your dashboard. Here you can see the status of your kit, if you have one processing, as well as an overview of your DNA results when they're ready. At the top of the page, you can follow the steps outlined in the onboarding widget to set up your profile and preferences. If you have more than one DNA profile, you can navigate between them by clicking on the avatar in the upper left-hand corner. You can also click DNA profiles to see the details of your profile. If you need to make changes to your profile, you can click the right arrow to view editable fields. If you need to manage your account, for example to change your password, click the account button in the side navigation, then click the field you would like to edit. There's plenty more to explore as your DNA results are revealed that will guide you through by following the handy onboarding widget. You can rewatch this video at any time in our support centre. Thank you again for joining our Living DNA family.